Here we are on the opening bell, and I'm just showing how MasterCard has that short reversal up at the high. Another one that I want to show, MMT, is that price line hits that, and then it's coming down to that support level, and that's what that's doing on the 3-minute opening bell. Another one I'd like to show you here is that Google, it's putting in a high up here, has that reversal, and this is what names are doing on that opening bell on Jobs Friday, selling into resistance. Another one I would like to show people is that Netflix 9-minute opening bell on the handle, MMT, it's right here. That's that gap down. It's going to come down. It's going to make support, Mr. Gibson, and you're going to want to get net long on that Netflix, okay? Some of the other higher betas on stocks that you're going to want to watch naturally is that ISRG in pre-market. They slammed at 522. That's that $2 reversal, but once again, it's overbought. Great stock, great company, doesn't matter. However, that's what those look like there. All right, we're coming down to one of our entries at a 545 put. Apple's finally getting exhausted. We put the limit order out right here. What is the problem? The limit order's there. Now leave it. We have an MM. Okay. So here is the top that we're putting on a 36912. On Apple, as we're featuring it in that 3 or 9 minute opening bell process. Just like Google is right here, reversing as it's not doing much. But we can see how these names are acting. You can see them both on the open. So let's take a look over here as far as the exhaustion highs on the opening bell. What the Dow is up 21, you can see where the Dow is right here. Okay, so it's up there. All right. And we can see that the Apple is burning higher. Cancel that other trade. Cancel all. Okay, you covered on Amazon. Then you get that? People do make adjustments, plain. That's your adjustment. Watch your market level. Watch your reversals. Watch your highs. Watch your lows. Watch that $1.24, 415 by 430. And you have to have a reversal. There it is. You're supposed to do that right the minute you get hit. You're not supposed to wait 3 minutes later and say, oh, good. So stop market orders if they're honored right away. That's what you do. Now, let's watch that part of it. Keeping your stop market order, just like he did, is the key to reducing risk, period. If you got to stop, you reduce the risk. Here's the brain. You're at 100. You're almost at a half a delta. Now, let's skin the cat. The options here on the 550 is 380 by 395. And we're coming down to the lower end of that channel right here in that bid net ask. Yes, they are. And you can see you're breaking up toward that 550 strike, and you're coming up on a 13-minute high. So you'll have a 13-minute handle. You're going to be going into it. You're going to hit those highs. And here we come. Where's our bids at $3.50? And $3.55 is the low. So we're going to get hit in the channel on one contract. Well, let's reduce it to one. You're going to buy one in here right now because you're putting those highs in. So you're going to have to get one contract in here right now as you exasperate the high. There's just one at the 350. Remember the high is $7. Remember the close at 835. Remember the MMT's taking out $5 worth of capital risk, entry, exposure. Boom, we just made that low right there, 345. And the high was 547.74. Here, live, right now, 14 minutes into that opening bell. And we're going to take a look here at how that wonderful entry from the close of 835 right into our low entry. We took all that dollar risk out of that entry. And you can't deny it because we did. And that's wholesale. And the high was $7. And they opened at 6. And we're down here on the low. And you can't deny that either. Now, let's move over to where? What do you want to move over to? You want to move over to that reversal. And you want to add another contract. Why, you can, but you already got in on the low of the day. That's here, that's now, that's how to steal the bid, how to get that lower in. Also, stop markets will be addressed. Stop market orders will always be addressed in that lower end of that price channel. Now, that's talent, people. Come on, show me how to do it. I never said to buy it for. You just ran right in there. No. What I meant was add you another one. I didn't finish the price. So the price would be 3.6. Add another one down toward the bottom as it goes up toward the high. You're doing fine. As you go through a resistance level, you just have to know that the electronic ECN, oh, right, there's that option. It's running for him now. Now put that out to sell on that reversal bar. This is here. It's live. There's that wholesale. Now put that out there at $5.50 to sell in case but you got to break that diamond. You got to break that diamond low. There's that entry. He's running full bore right now at 440 by 460. There's that reversal. It was a matter of yesterday. It did something similar. Right now, you got those lower diamonds. You're going to come down, and you got a 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny. There's that 2 teeny to that diamond. It's holding it here. It's holding it now. You're 48. Coming in there at 490 by 5. We got hit on that low. That's how you make that market. Now you got to keep that reversal bar. There's that 3 teeny script. 1, 2, 3. Ka-ching! Sell it. Sell it now. You got support. Sell it. Take the money. Sell it. Take the money at the 3 teeny script. Taking the profit up here toward the high around that 490 by $5. We are out. We concluded that wholesale bid. We concluded that the close was 835. We concluded that the high of the day was 7, that they opened it at 6, and that the entry was at 350, and the exit was with the money within that 3 teeny script. Congratulations, and once again, I can say that is how you make a market with the public.